Hello, and welcome to the VestaTrader video tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to analyze a portfolio using the various tabs available in the portfolio menu. Starting from the application home page, scroll to the top and click Portfolio, which is bright green. A drop-down menu will now open. For easy review, we recommend clicking on the pin icon to pin down the new window. The portfolio window consists of 6 tabs. Let's start with Market Data, which will open automatically each time you click on the portfolio option. As you can see, we already have one stock and one currency in the Market Data window. These are the default charts that are preloaded to VestaTrader. You can always erase them by clicking on the red X. Additionally, any new symbols and charts added will automatically appear in the Market Data tab, as well as the main page. Now, let's explore each option. Shares will show you the number of shares if it's a stock, or your cash balance if it's a currency. For more information regarding currencies, refer to the currency video tutorials. At the moment, we have 0 shares. To make a quick purchase, enter the amount of shares you want to purchase and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. A small window will now open. Note that this is not a detailed way to trade, because you only get the latest quote on a stock as a trading option, and your date and costs are not editable. If you want a detailed trade, refer to the Buy/Sell buttons further to the right. Your new shares will now appear on the Shares text box. The green and red arrows icon will show your recent stock purchases on a chart, as well as representations of the positive and negative progress between the dates in green and red arrows. Symbol name will contain the full name of the symbol, whilst symbol will contain the abbreviation of a symbol. Clicking on the red X will completely remove a symbol. Just note that erasing a symbol will completely erase all the information from our system and cannot be recovered if you change your mind. Change percentage will show you the changes in percentage according to how the stock performed in the last trading day. Change will show you the change in cash amount of your base currency from the last trading day. Basis price value lists the value of the stock when you purchased it. If your stock was purchased in a currency other than the US dollar, it will appear in this text box. Basis price value USD lists the amount of the stock in US dollars. If your stock's base currency was not in US dollars, it will be converted here according to the latest exchange rate. Value when acquired lists the total amount paid for a specific stock combined in any currency other than US dollars. Value when acquired US dollars. Similar to basis price value USD, the total amount paid for a stock will be converted into US dollars. Close represents the latest closing price. Day high represents the maximum price the stock ever reached on the last trading day. Day low is the minimum price a stock reached on the last trading day. Volume represents how many shares were traded altogether on the last trading day. Buy, sell, or receive info by clicking on the corresponding buttons. Value in this portfolio shows you the amount of value in cash this specific stock has in your portfolio. Value in this portfolio, USD, shows the same, just in US dollars. GL percentage, or gain loss in percentage, represents what you gained or lost in percentage from the moment you traded this stock. GL, or gain loss, represents the current positive or negative value in cash in any base currency other than US dollars. GLUSD, or gain loss US dollars, will show the same, just in US dollars. And lastly, you will be able to see how your stock is currently doing in comparison to other positions by looking at ranking in portfolio. The lower the number is, the higher it's ranked in your overall portfolio. Now, let's look at the bottom left of the tab and see how to easily review the progress of an entire portfolio. Total value when acquired will show you the starting value of your portfolio when you just started. Portfolio value today will show you the current value of your entire portfolio with reference to last quote data. Realized gain, loss shows you if you are currently making money or losing money with your portfolio. Since we haven't demo traded in this portfolio yet, it is currently on zero, which will change the moment we make a sale. Present portfolio's gain, loss is the current amount gained and lost in percentage. And cash available for trading is your current available balance for trading. Now, let's hover to Portfolio Change Cents. This option will allow you to calculate how much you could have gained or lost in cash and in percentage if you would have purchased a stock at a specific date in the past. Click on the small calendar, select a year, and then click a day. You will automatically receive a calculation to your right. You could also calculate how much you could potentially make in the future by clicking on Calculate Possible Future Value. A new window will open. Let's make a theoretical calculation and see how it works. Value today is your current portfolio value. Rate of return is the average percentage of interest the stock or portfolio will yield a long time. Based on the stock market's historic performance, it is around 8% per year average. Now, fill in the number of years you're planning to save in years to save. If it's for a shorter term, you could use months to save. If you are also saving cash every month or year, enter the amount in yearly or monthly savings in cash. To complete, click Calculate. The calculation will automatically appear in the Future Value text box. You can also calculate cash savings, as well as anything else in Another Value. Now let's go back and click on Trades. You will see an overview of all the stocks you've ever purchased. This tab provides us with useful information, like order ID, date of purchase, and time, which may be required for support issues if they ever arise. You can also insert stocks directly from this tab by clicking on the green plus sign located on the top of the window. Start by entering the symbol name. Next, click on the small calendar icon to select a date. Note that you could also purchase a stock in a past date. Now, select the quantity, the executed price, and then if you bought or sold it in the drop-down window. To complete, click OK. This function enables you to insert trades that you may have already purchased in an existing portfolio with your bank or broker. By this, you can get a complete portfolio from the very start of your demo trading. As you can see, a new value has been added to the trade window with all the information of your purchase. Now, let's click on Positions. This tab will provide you with a quick overview of your portfolio. Next, we'll click on Pending. This tab will include any stocks that are pending to be purchased or sold. The Balance tab will provide a quick overview of your current balance as well as stock and currency leverage. Finally, let's click to open the Accumulated Gain/Loss tab. This tab will provide an overview of all stocks purchased and sold, including the date of your purchase or sale, price, and your overall gain or loss from making a specific trade. You will also be able to see how much costs were involved in the Costs row. Furthermore, any costs will be deducted from your overall calculation to give you a more realistic overview of the exact gain and loss that were involved per trade. Thanks for watching.